Today we're making sushi. Let's start. We need 4 ingredients: tuna, rice, cucumber, and seaweed. Let's start. We need a kitchen towel so the seaweed won't stick to the kitchen table. We need to put the seaweed on the towel with the shiny side down. Everyone, look, this is the shiny side. Stella, what are you doing? And now let's start. We have to put our hands in water and vinegar. Take rice. And your seaweed. Take the rice away, please. Put your hands in the water, Jess.
Is it yum?
The rice is done. Let's put some cucumbers. Let's squishy. 1. Now let's add 2. Time to roll. You can't. Roll it. So you can cut it. It's all done. This is a big sushi. We need to cut it up. Abacadabra, gilly gilly choo. Boom. That's tasted. Look at some cucumber.
Is it good?
Good. Yummy. That's how you make sushi. Bye bye. Ba ba boo boo ba ba boo.